How to customize your iMessage text with bold italics and more in iOS 18. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, iOS 18 introduces the ability to format text in the Messages app, allowing users to emphasize the messages with bold, italics, underline, and strike through. So I'll teach you how to. First things first, open up your Messages app and then go to the conversation where you want to send the message. Tap on the message bar. Now type in your message. Now, to format text, users need to double tap on the word. So you can see that the word is selected. And after that, to go to the text effect, you can see A with lines on the very right of the keyboard. So you'll have to tap on it and then you can see it. There are various options like bold, italic, underline, strike through, and then there are multiple formatting styles that can be applied within a single message. So you can format your message any way you want. You can just tap on bold, italic, underline, strike through, use the various formats, do anything that you want. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.